In this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. Firstly, you need to deposit funds to your Cash App account. Go to the Money home screen and tap Add Cash. Select the amount you want to deposit. Tap your profile icon and go to Linked Banks and select No Card to add a bank account. Now, when you're done, from the menu or Money home screen, select the Bitcoin tile. Tap Buy the Bitcoin. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, and the default order type is one-time order, which means it won't repeat. Verify your order details, including the fund source and the amount. Click Confirm and confirm the order with your PIN or biometric ID if you have set up one. After purchase, your Bitcoin balance will appear on the Money home screen. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.